What's up, creative fam? You got your boy Gary B here. Hey, I'm the host of that new podcast show, Thinking Credit with Gary B. But I'm also going to be bringing you some daily financial tips that's going to get your pockets right. If you're trying to work on your finances, check out my daily tips. I'm bringing them to you Monday through Friday. If you're ready, let's jump on over into the day's tips. Okay, today's tips are how to keep debt at bay. That's our title, okay? How to keep debt at bay. I know we all got it. I know we all got debts, but we can keep it at bay so it don't make us go crazy, okay? All right, let's go into number one. Start with small debts to help you conquer the bigger ones. Think about that now, y'all. Start with small debts to help you conquer the bigger ones. So let's say you got a mountain of debt, okay? And you got those $50 ones or $100 ones, and then you got that $1,000. Knock out those 50s, knock out those hundreds. It's going to get it down. Then all you got in front of you is that $1,000 one or whatever it might be, and then kill it. You feel me? That's what we mean by start with the smaller debts to help you conquer the big ones, all right? Because it builds up your confidence. When you start seeing those small ones come down, believe me, that's going to build your confidence to say, I can do this. All right? You can do it. Next, let's talk about don't ever co-sign for somebody. Don't ever co-sign for somebody. And what I mean by don't ever co-sign for somebody, even if it's a friend, a family member, or significant other. I understand sometimes that significant other, you just give in. Sometimes them kids, you just give in. But remember something. No matter how much you love them or how much you care about them, we all can miss a payment in our life. So you got to think about it. If they miss a payment, it falls back on you as the co-signer. So you always got to make sure that you either got some extras in reserve or you don't co-sign for nobody, okay? All right, the next tip. We're going to talk about something that everybody who wants to go to school needs to think about. Every student should fill out the FISTA, all right? It don't hurt. It's free. All it is the application to see what kind of free money you can apply for and you can get. There's Pell Grants. There's, it's a lot of grants out there. You don't always have to just get a loan to pay for school. You can get a grant, but you have to fill out the paperwork to see if you qualify. So do that, all right? Get that free money. It's out there. All right, the next tip. Always choose federal student loans over private loans. Always choose federal student loans over private loans. I'm not saying private loans are bad, because they're not. But private loans are not regulated by the government. So they can pretty much do what they want to do with them. If you can't pay them, they can come after you big time, all right? But at the same time, I know the federal government can do the same thing. But the thing about the federal government is, just think about it. If you're having problems because, you just graduated and you can't get a job or whatever, they're going to work with you. All you got to do is just ask. Okay? So try the federal student loans before you do the private ones, okay? And once again, like I always say, unless your pocket can afford it, okay? The next one it's a segue from the first one we just did just then. If you're struggling with federal loan payments, investigate the repayment options. I'm telling you, they have programs that will help you. They have programs that will help you, all right? Ask them for an extension. Ask them for income-based plans. And there's other plans out there. That's just to name a few. But talk with them. Call them. Tell them you're having problems. We all have problems in life. So call them. Let them know what's going on. And believe me, they'll work with you. And last but not least, let's talk about opt for mortgage payments below 28% of your monthly income. If you're looking for a mortgage, look for something that is going to be 28% of your monthly income. So whatever you're making, put 28% to the side, and that's what you can afford for a mortgage. Okay? Don't be trying to live like the Joneses. Don't be trying to go above and beyond. Hey, live the way you want to live and make yourself comfortable, but do it for yourself. So if you can put 28% to the side, hey, that's great. Okay? But hey, that's my tips for today. Like I said, we all have to figure out a way to how to keep debt at bay. Hey, thank y'all for listening. I do this every Monday through Friday. So keep checking me out. The Daily Financial Tips. I want to thank you for checking out this episode. Keep following me for all the latest financial information. You can follow and subscribe on Applecast, Spotify, Google Podcasts, Amazon Music, and Stretcher, all the podcast networks out there. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box. I'm your man, Gary B. Like I always say, I do the research. You just got to follow.